Today we are going to try another mindfulness exercise. We will be using our minds to travel to another place. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Now, as you sit with your eyes closed, think about a peaceful place that you have visited or seen in pictures or a movie. We will be taking a quick vacation to this place in our minds. What does the place look like? Create the image in your mind of the setting. What do you see? What landmarks do you see in your peaceful place? What is the weather like in your peaceful place? As you sit in your peaceful place, think of the sounds that you hear. What is happening around you in this peaceful place? Take a moment to enjoy the peaceful sounds. What feelings do you experience as you sit in your peaceful place? Inhale the peaceful atmosphere and exhale tension. Inhale peace and exhale tension. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Enjoy the calm, peaceful setting of your vacation spot. Let the calm wash over your body and mind before you return from your quick vacation.